Hola friends, it's Timothy Curver here at Stolfus RV. Guess what? Something new came in again. And I says, let me come out here and do a video. You're gonna be the first to see this. Let me spin this around for you. Here is a Grand Design Transcend Xplor. So this is a new floor plan that they've made. So this floor plan here is a 235 BH. Yes, bunkhouse. We can carry a lot of people in here, but they did something really kind of fun. Once we get inside, I'll show it to you. So we have a 21-foot power awning, as you can see. You have some nice hanging steps here. In the back, we do have an outside kitchen. Once again, we have our hot water system right here for a hot water tank. And this, you can put some water in there. If you want to watch TV outside, you have your cable and you have your electric. Over here, this is blowing excessive heat. This is an outside kitchen. So let's show you this. So you unlock this. This lifts up. It's adorable. Your refrigerator, some storage area here. This opens up on this side. This allows this to open up, and you have a 2-burner stove here. It goes back into place there. You can lock this up, just like that. Quick LP disconnect where you see that piece of paper dangling. In the back, it does have a ladder so you can access your roof, and it's also pre-wired for backup camera. This is a tiny little guy, but it has everything you need. Let's go inside. So once you come up the steps, to my right, there is a sofa, and it also has a Murphy bed. So this Murphy bed would actually just come down, and you would have a conversion from sitting to sleeping. It's really nice. You also have a closet. Down below, you have 2-step storage area. Let's see how this works. This goes around, comes down, that goes flat. And on this side is a little hanger. This kind of lifts up. This comes down. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. I think that's really nice. The foot of the bed, fuse box, breakers, plenty of storage, all of your controls when you first walk in. What? It's beautiful. Love it. I think this is really great. It's going to be a home run. Booth dinette. This converts into a sleeping area. These poles come down. And there's a railing right there that'll fit there. And then these cushions on the end will make a nice sleeping area. And then you have 2 bunks. More storage down below. So this is actually on the slide. So this is pushed out. As you can see, there's plenty of storage there. This is a shot from the other side. Here's our kitchen. Our entertainment area for TV. That there is for winterization, so that's going to be your valve cutoff. Plenty of storage. You have a 3-burner stove, so this lifts up just like that. And you also have an oven. I love these 12-volt refrigerators. They are just great. Microwave, and in the back here is your bathroom. So there's a porcelain toilet, cabinet space there, plenty of room for all your cosmetics. Nice size shower with a skylight, so if you're a taller person, you can easily take a shower there. This is just a shot of it down there. Isn't it a great little floor plan? I think it's really cool. It gets you out there, creating memories with your family and friends. I think they've done a really, really nice job. So this one is available. Who likes a Grand Design, looking for a Grand Design or a bunkhouse? This might be the one for you. I'm going to give you my cell at 610-348-3050. Number again is 610-348-3050. And let's talk about the details of this. See if you have a trade. We're looking for trades on this or anything like that. But if you like this video, I want you to like it, share it. Give me some comments. Let's see what we can do for you. I appreciate you allowing me into your home, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye now.